I can tell you one thing. There's a lot of camping out in Missouri, but I've never seen this many campsites. Like, there's just so much open land out here to camp. People just do it everywhere.
Pierce, 10 miles.
What's Pierce? Is that a town?
I have no idea. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. We are out in Arizona, exploring Arizona, and this is a road. It says Pierce 10 miles. We went to April Mine, and this is actually a different road, turns off from April Mine. So I thought we'll make a video, check this road out, see what it is. I have no idea. I've never been down this way. Following my son Kevin on his 300L. Brand new. Well, not no more. How many miles?
Let's see, 1,140.
Oh my goodness, you've almost got 1,200 miles, yeah. And he's dumped it once, I think.
Yep.
He broke in the new's gone. So we're gonna go check this out. Looks like it goes off down in the canyon, off down the valley. Maybe we'll see.
This ought to be a fun ride.
I don't know what Pierce is, but we will see. It said 10 miles. It's a nice little road.
Yeah, it is. Pretty decently maintained.
Yeah.
I mean, you think it might actually lead to a town or something. Because you'd think if it was like a canyon or a creek or something like that, it would have said that after Pierce.
Right.
But with it just being called Pierce, you'd think it might be some kind of like a old ghost town maybe, or like a, I don't know.
Somebody say, I know where Pierce is. But we don't.
Yep.
We're from the Ozarks, people.
We're from halfway across the U.S.
We're from where the banjos play. And this is totally different territory than we're used to. I mean, I've never rode anything like any of this Arizona stuff, so it's all new to me and Kevin and my son Scott. So it's cool that we all have 300Ls to do this on too. It's a perfect bike for this stuff. And we got a lot of adventures to come too. We want to do some moto camping here for long. As soon as Scotty's foot gets healed, he wheelied over backwards on his 300L and it come down on his foot. So had to go to the emergency room, and luckily it wasn't that bad. It just smashed it real good, but it's been hurting for the last, what, my goodness, 2 or 3 weeks.
A little split off right here.
Oh yeah, there's a trail up in there.
You want to check out the trail?
I guess we can. Probably a campgrounds.
Oh, camp spots. Yeah, that's cool.
Coolness. There's tons of camping out here. No need to pay for camping when you can do all this dispersed camping for free.
I can tell you one thing. There's a lot of camping out in Missouri, but I've never seen this many campsites. Like, there's just so much open land out here to camp. People just do it everywhere.
Yeah, it's just like all over the place.
And then it's like once the campsites are there, they just stay.
Yeah. No doubt. I've seen more campgrounds here in Arizona than I've ever seen in Missouri. I mean, bad part about Missouri is any place that you pull off the road, they want to charge you for it.
Yep.
If they don't charge you for it, they got a gate on it where you can't go to it. It's ridiculous. The people that run Missouri are a bunch of idiots. Sitting at a desk and don't know nothing about being outdoors. That was the worst part about Missouri. It got to where it was boring riding there to me because I'd rode everything around, and all I could do was go ride the same old thing over and over again, and it just gets old.
Yeah, because there's so much riding out there that you can do, but you're just not allowed to.
Yeah.
Oh, this
may be the end of our road here.
Yeah, it looks like it's getting pretty rough.
Yeah, it just turned into a goat trail. Good turnaround. Let me pull in front of you here now.
while I was getting on pass.
But you can go camping out in here, right up. I'm out here at the end of this.
Yeah, this wouldn't be a bad little camp spot either. Down here in this little bottom.
Shade trees. Movie stars. Oh.
Yeah. There's a heck of a little ditch
Whoa,
through
that's
there.
some sandy stuff. That's what I mean. In Missouri, we don't have the sand like that everywhere.
Yeah.
It's more just dirt.
It's only in the creek beds.
Yeah, you got sand. It's in the creek bed.
Or on the beaches of the lakes, and that's it.
Yeah, that's about it. They got lots of ant mounds here too everywhere.
Oh yeah, a lot of them.
Some of these guys are local around Sierra Vista watching these videos. Heck, hit us up. We may go for a ride with you guys. You ride dual sports. As long as we can keep up. As long as you're not too awesome for us.
Can't be going Ricky Carmichael or Jet Lawrence on us or nothing.
That's right.
Yeah.
You have none of that Jet Lawrence stuff going on.
You can't have me feeling like I'm a Sexton or anybody over here.
Yeah. Or crybaby Ken Roxon.
Yeah. Don't make me feel like Tomac after he comes back to try to beat. Whoa, squirrel.
There he goes. Yeah, Tomac. He's going to come back and beat old Jet Lawrence. I seriously doubt that. I can't wait to see it.
Hey, I mean, if he does, props on him.
Yeah.
But I doubt it.
If he does, hey, that tells he's a better rider. But I'll have to see it to believe it.
But just by his pushes recently, and him barely being around, like above Sexton, with Sexton messing up, man, that just shows that Jet Lawrence is going to blow him out of the water. Because Jet Lawrence is still blowing everybody in the 450 class out of the water. There's no way. I mean, if he does, it's a miracle.
He's just on a different level than the other riders.
Yeah.
We get one once in a while. We get a James Stewart, a Carmichael, McGrath, Ricky Johnson, people like that that change the sport. And Jet Lawrence is just one of those that come around. As long as nothing happens to him, he's got a bright future. Camp spot's there.
Look at this. We're opening up out into the flat.
Yeah, we're getting out in the desert now.
Oh, man, you feel that heat starting to come in?
Oh, yeah.
Little waves are starting to hit me in the face.
You get out of the mountains and get down in these bottoms, it starts warming up now. Get back in that mine. It was crazy. The temperature in the mine, I took my temperature gun with me. And one part I measured in there, 47, 48 degrees was what most of it was, 50 degrees. It was nice inside that mine.
Yeah, well, it feels like whenever walking in there from the heat, it just feels like you're walking straight up into a walk-in refrigerator.
Yeah, it's more than air conditioner. I mean, you don't run your house 50 degrees air conditioning, but it's like you're walking into a cooler unit.
What are we riding into? A creek bed here?
Yep, I think so.
Oh, we're crossing another road. Or is it a road or a creek bed? With vertical marker not maintained. So that is a road. It's just like a creek?
Yeah, it's a road.
What? It's like a creek that was turned into a road.
Yes, let's just go on down this one for now, I guess.
That's crazy.
But yeah, it's a road.
Huh. Never seen that before. Straight up looks like a road that was made out of a creek bed.
Just follow the wash up. It's going to end eventually. It gets up in those mountains.
They said, shoot, we don't get water out here enough. Let's just drive through it.
Yeah. I can tell you one thing. When it starts raining out here, these creek crossings get up in a hurry.
Oh, is that another one?
I don't see nothing. Oh, jump. I know one thing, you create one heck of a dust.
Probably.
Ain't no probably.
Yeah, those ain't even really lift enough to jump anyways. I was flying over that and like my front, like I think it was just a little bit of suspension that lifted up.
Leaving Coronado, entering private land. So this is pretty much it. It goes down to some houses down here and on out, I guess.
Surveillance property. Oh man, this is actually some beautiful farmland this time of year.
It is nice. Look at the grass.
Look at that.
They got grass.
That's nice.
What's up with that?
And the 10-foot tall asparagus.
yeah, the big tall asparagus.
That's crazy though how that stuff actually looks exactly like asparagus.
Yeah, some of them yucca looking plants, whatever they are, like this one here.
Dang, that is piled down with the fruit. You see that cactus?
Yeah, it's loaded. All that rain.
Look at them real red hills out there. That's crazy. They're really red.
There's some cows out there. I definitely have seen more cattle guards in Arizona I've ever seen in my life.
Oh yeah,
They're everywhere. They're even in the highways.
Man, I thought there was a lot down like Butler Hollow Road and whatnot. No,
Yeah.
screw that. That's just like 6 of them.
Yeah.
Or 10 of them maybe.
That looks like a messy mess. I'll go around it. Less washing the bike. See, I get older and wiser, I guess.
Oh, truck. Car up.
It's a granny and a Ford Explorer.
Yeah, I thought it was a granny, so I pulled off a little bit. Man, look at them big old mountains way out there.
I know, it's crazy. Everywhere around here in Arizona, near Sierra Vista and Tombstone, Bisbee, it's just mountains everywhere you look. 360 mountains everywhere.
Yeah, there's just like miles of flat and then miles of mountains, miles of flat and then miles of mountains. It's ridiculous. I've never seen nothing like it in my life.
It's a big dual sport playground.
Oh yeah. Could you imagine though being back in like the Western days, either with nothing but yourself or a horse, and being out here trying to find water whenever it's 120 degrees?
No doubt.
Jeez, man.
Kind of stay beside me. We'll keep each other out of the dust that way.
All right.
You stay just a shade in front. And then if the car's coming, I can get over to my right behind you. You just keep going, don't slow down.
All right.
That's the way you'd work it.
I'm just chugging 25 in fourth gear right now.
I'm in fourth gear too. I went ahead and set this Garmin GPS to home. Don't know which way it's going to take us. turning into clay here. Oh,
Car up.
it's crazy they got mile markers off out here on the dirt roads. You don't see that in Missouri. The only place you see mile markers in Missouri is on the 4 lanes.
Or what, like forestry roads, like out in out
Well,
by Star Holler and stuff.
Well, yeah,
Don't they?
that's trail markers.
Oh, trail marker, yeah.
Just
Never
as saying what number the trail is. That's a mile marker. It says
oh
2
yeah,
miles.
never mind. Yeah, you said mile marker. My bad.
Yeah. Yeah, mile markers out here on the dirt road.
Yeah, that's crazy. I guess that's whenever all you have out here is dirt road.
I guess. Oh, look at that fire up there.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Smoke from something.
Look at the dust we're making.
Oh yeah. We're still not making as much as that truck. We turn right here. I'm about to pass. I was like,
Got a little
oh.
bit wobbly trying to slow down on that sand. Geez, that sand's a different terrain.
That is some sandy stuff.
Yeah, look at this. It's like beach sand.
You see where I turn around there? Yeah.
Holy crap.
Yeah, it's like loose stuff. Here comes a truck. They're probably thinking them dang dirt bikers. Dip, well that's kind of rude. I don't see the dip. It said there was a dip there, but I'll mess it by right here.
To my left.
If we'd have hit that about 70, it'd probably be better. There's that smoke we saw back there earlier.
We're getting close to it.
It's like somebody burning something. Trash, probably. Burning car tires.
And I can feel how loose this stuff is on my front end.
Yeah. You just got to keep your speed and stay straight.
Don't fight her, just let it wobble.
Yep, pretty much.
Woo! Speaking of wobble.
Oh, this is sandy stuff right here.
Yeah, it is.
Looks like a paved road up here.
Which way?
Straight. So we are coming into the town of Dragoon, Arizona. Big city. I don't think it's been a hole in the wall, probably. That's it. We went through it.
Them lights got done flashing before we got here from that train.
Oh yeah, that train just went by.
Good timing right there.
So we're out here at the Dragoon Rocks.
There's a radio tower up there, radio station.
Look at them rocks. Them are black, pretty much.
Oh, dang. What in the world?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
There's more on the right, but they're not black. So we're fixing to hit I-10.
Holy crap! Speaking of rocks, dang.
The
Oh, I know. Is this that place just
yeah, Dragoon.
by outside of Fort Huachuca?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, that's crazy.
Yeah, that's where we're at.
Yeah, I noticed it as soon as I saw all these rocks. No way.
So we're fixing to hit I-10. We didn't want to really go interstate, but it's kind of where we're at. We'd be a lot longer if we go the other way back, so we're going to go ahead and run down the interstate a little ways.
Crazy. Yeah, we're going to show these sport bikers what's up.
Yeah, we'll blow by all the sport bikers.
We're going to hit 210 on these dual sports and wipe them off the map.
Yeah.
Dang, them rocks out there look so cool though, man. Like just the way they're formed.
It is awesome.
The formation is ridiculous. Now look at that sand. That's some sand, buddy.
Yeah,
that is all sand.
All sand.
Where are we going?
Straight.
Oh yeah, because this circles up onto it, right?
Yeah.
Okay. It's actually kind of nice through here.
Nice and hot. It's about 93 degrees right now. Hey, crank it on. We're not going to do 75, but we can get up there a little ways, up there 65. We could do 75, but I wouldn't want to strap it on at 75 all the way down through here.
Oh yeah, not at all. See, 65 is just a real comfortable cruise.
Yeah, 65 on these small dual sports is really good.
Yeah, it feels just right for the interstate.
Yeah. They can all pass us, it's no problem. Yay, we get off the interstate.
Finally.
What a shame. 15 miles of that.
That's about the perfect amount to have enough.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm over it.
Yeah. Oh, man. Hurt your butt on the interstate, man.
Yeah. We should have got up here in this lane. I had to wait on this truck. We'll pull in here at this gas station. Loves. Is it on the right or the left? It's on both sides?
I don't know. Just go right.
Evidently it's on both sides. It's like a Love's.
Oh, that's what you're asking. Yeah, it's on both sides.
Huh. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video. Click the thumbs up, subscribe down below. We got lots more videos coming. We'll catch you all in the next one. Right on.
Right on. Yeehaw.